Yes, you can get organic sales every day. It's not a myth, it's all real. Hello, this is Mir from Passive Income. Today this video gonna be super important for you and I will discuss about title, description and tags for your print-on-demand design business. Many people ask me about the importance of description and title, like really does this matter? How should I write the description? Or where do I find the tags? And so many bunches of questions. After getting all of those questions, I feel still many people don't know the importance of this. Well, if you want organic sales, you must optimize your product page for SEO, and for SEO, you cannot deny the importance of title, description, and tags. So, in this video, I will explain today how to write an effective title. I will also share some pro tips for this, then the best outline for description, and in last, from where you will get the tags and how you can use those wisely. I will also share some tools which will make it easier for you. So let's jump to the topic now. Now, writing a good title. The title is always very important because it helps to make your product visible. If your title is enough good in terms of SEO, then your product will have a higher chance to appear on the Google search page. Normally, I follow a simple outline for my design title, which is very much effective for SEO, and that is product description plus niche word or phrase. Under product description, it's best to use 3 to 4 words to describe your product, and sometimes you can use the entire code from your design if this is a short code. FYI, use these 3 to 4 words very wisely. You can add your sub niches in here or some other keywords that will help you for other search terms. Let's jump to set a title for my own design. At first, I'm uploading one of my design to the Redbubble from my computer. Now I need to give a perfect title for this design. This design is for the black people who love unicorns and is the niche. You can see there are some flowers, glittery effect and a black unicorn. So what could be the best title for this design? This design is focusing a unicorn whose melanin pops up and still she's a beautiful unicorn. So I can write simply melanin pops up for the first part of my title. Before locking this title, let's check this line with trademark. Yeah, there might be a trademark for this code. It's trademark, yeah, and the link of this website is in my video description. Please feel free to check. And the good part is this tool is completely free. Trademark is a tool where you can check a term either it is trademarked or not. Just simply write a word or phrase in here and then search for it. That's it. So I'm typing the code melanin pops up and then clicking on search option. Okay, in here I can see a green circle, which means these are active trademark. Let's click on read more option and see the details. Okay, this is trademark for pop-up and it is nothing with my code. I'm checking for second one. It's the same and I will check others like this way. After checking this, I found this code. It is not a trademark one, so I can log this for my title. Then I use a hyphen and I will add the niche word or phrase. I'm adding black unicorn for second part of the title, and then I will check it again with trademark. Yeah. Okay, again here are some green circle. Let's check it. Oops, this is already under trademark, so I should not use this in my title or tag, but as it is my niche phrase, so I need to do something. Let's add flowery with this phrase. So now flowery black unicorn will not be any trademarked and I'm locking this for my title. Now let's review this title. In the first part, here is melanin word, which is also a keyword for black people, and in second part, black unicorn, both are also my niche related keyword. And here the flowery word could be also just another additional keyword, who are black girl, loves flower, as well as unicorn. So in a single title I just added melanin, flowery, black, unicorn. Total 4 keywords, and I'm locking this title. Now here is a pro tips. Here you can see that I add niche word at the last part of my title. Some people may add these words normally at the first part of their title, but here is a reason for adding this in the last part. You know, Redbubble, Teepublic or Threadless, they automatically add their product name just after your title. Like if I give this title name melanin pops up flowery black unicorn, then for a t-shirt Redbubble will automatically add this product name just after my title. Then the full title will be melanin pops up flowery black unicorn t-shirt. But if I put flowery black unicorn at the first part of the title, then it would be flowery black unicorn melanin pops up t-shirt. Usually when we search for a product in Google, we use our search terms like melanin pops up t-shirt or black unicorn t-shirt or unicorn t-shirt, like this way. So from here I can get 2 terms, black unicorn t-shirt and melanin pops up t-shirt. Now let's check in Google for which term search volume is greater. For black unicorn t-shirt, it is showing these search results. It means it's a great demand. And for melanin pops up t-shirt, it is showing only few search results and the number is very low, so it demands is very low. So I will definitely go for black unicorn t-shirt for my last part of the title, as it has demand. Some of you may be surprised, this term have a lot of search results, so how will my design be ranked among them? Okay, here is the thing. Your design will be ranked for the marketplaces where you are uploading your design. Like I'm uploading my design in Redbubble, and Redbubble itself has a better ranking in Google search. So I don't need to be concerned for that. But if your design is not for marketplace like Redbubble or Teepublic, if you work with gear launch with your very own domain, then you must go for low search volume, which will help you to rank in Google. Here is another tips. Please do not use best selling or best product terms in your design title, because this marketplace like Redbubble, Teepublic, Threadless or others don't like this kind of any phrase, and they don't recommend this for your title. But for gear launch, if you wish, then you can use this kind of phrase for your recommended products or designs. Now description. Before going to the description part, please like this video if you think this video is being helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel for supporting me. Thank you. For description, I follow this outline and I will show you how I write a description based on this. For saving time, I have already written this, and let me explain it. At first, I'm reading this for you. Melanin pops out and it makes you black unicorn. This cute flowery design is a great catch for black girls. It could be also a perfect gift for your friends or family for June 10th, June 19th or Black Lives Matter month, June. So buy it now and don't miss it. Okay. In first sentence, I used melanin and black unicorn. Then I used cute as an adjective in here. And then for target audience, I used black girls. In third line, you can see I have added gift for friends and family for Juneteenth or Black Lives Matter, because many customers also look for gift item for their friends and family for occasions. You can get all National Day from National Today website, and this link has been shared in this video description. Just check it. Then fourth line is for call to action. Wait, I don't know why many of you just don't add a call to action line. I have seen many. Trust me, really call to action helps your design to be converted by creating an urgency. It is very much important, because if you create an urgency or remind them for an action, customers will be more intent to purchase that item. So use this. So this is my final writing. This was just an outline which I'm using for my print on demand description. You can be also more creative in your writing. There is also There is no limitation, but this outline is working great for me, and I hope it will also work for you. Be sure to never abuse SEO description, as search engines are known to crack down and demote results on people they see as spamming or abusing this mechanism. So don't overuse same keyword in descriptions, and never be deceptive about what might be in your image. Just the facts. Now the most important part is still left, and that is tag research and how should you select your tags. Okay, you might have a question in your mind that how many tags you should use. Well, it depends on the marketplace. For Redbubble, it is recommended to use 15 tags. For Threadless, you can use 25 tags, and for Teepublic, you can use 15 tags. Some other marketplaces have different numbers. Well, for this part, I have made a chart for my 15 tags. The first tag will be my main tag. Then for the next 4 tags, I will collect those from Redbubble tag suggestion. 2 will be for black girls and 2 will be for unicorn. For the next 5 tags, I will collect those from best selling designs under the same niche. 3 tags for black girls and 2 tags for unicorn. And then for the last 5 tags, I will collect those from March Titan Redbubble tag generator. 3 tags for black girls and 2 tags for unicorn. Now I'm going to Redbubble and then I'm typing unicorn in search option, and let's see what it shows. Okay, in here you can see there are some suggestions related to unicorn, and I will pick 2 best tags for my designs. Then I will do the same process for black girl also. Here I pick total 4 tags from that suggestion and fill this table for you. Next I will look for best selling designs tag to get some reference. These are some best selling designs for black girls. I will open couple of these best selling designs, and then from bottom I will check their tags, and I will pick some tags based on my design which suits the most. After collecting these tags, I fill those in here. For last 5 tags now, I'm using March Titan Redbubble tag generator. This is also a free tool. From this tool you can find suggested tags for your niche. All you need to just type it and then click on get tags button. A link of this tool also has been given in the video description for your further check. Now let's find out the tags for black girls. Okay, in here I can see bunch of suggestions, but I will pick the best 3 for my designs. Similarly, I go for black unicorn also. From March Titan, I included selected tags in here. Then I will put this all in Redbubble tag section. Check this tag very well. This was my main tag, and rest of our supporting tags. I checked all tags with trademark here, and there is no trademark issue. So that's it. I know you are thinking this whole process is a laborious process, but I think just simply uploading your design and then no sale is a great waste of your time and design process. For getting organic sales, you must do this process. I'm following this process and it is really working for me. So I hope it will also work for you if you can do this research properly. Okay guys, thank you for tolerating me for this long time. If this video helped you with some great information, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. It will be great motivation for me to publish new videos soon. Night night.